This is a Sprinter 2009 EGR valve that I've removed. Unfortunately, this valve was giving the code P0404, which means the ECU can't work out where the valve is, if it's open or closed or whatever it's doing. So like a potentiometer basically set up here at the end that measures. Make sure on these points that you're getting your 12 volt, your 5 volt and your ground. Otherwise you've got a wiring issue. And you do that with the ignition on. I just basically back probe that connection with a pin. Issue with this one, inside I found that the spring had ridden up over itself, and it was jamming onto the armature, which was stopping it returning back with the spring, and that was giving the false position because the valve was closing but the armature wasn't returning. All right. I can show you that the coil still works in there. Just going to get it into there, which is hard with one hand. Just have to rest this up. Yeah, mate, you put the wires in there and that will fire it over. So you get a good grip on it. Okay. See from the side that's firing it. And that valve was going open and closed, and it checks all the internal. I'll take it apart and show you where this spring is, because as you know, they don't really say that you can service this part. Most people just replace them, but as we know, they're quite pricey. I've seen a few prices for $800 to $1,000. Certainly a lot of money for a little part. So if you can do something with it, obviously you want to make sure it hasn't got carbon and it's all clogged up. But I took this off and it was pretty clean. And so I was like, and so I decided to take a look inside before I had to spend $1,000. All right, I'll take it apart and show the spring.